This is a blogmaster of jibarreview.com. I will review ThinkPad E450, especially about keyboards and new touchpad. The new touchpad of E450 got the 3 buttons. Actually, on E430, the touchpad got 3 buttons like here, but in E440 and the 3 buttons are gone, but due to the bad reputation of that flat panel, a flat touchpad, the Lenovo decided to move back to the 3 independent button. So let me use. Oh yeah, this track point is not the original. This is the older type softly one. This is not the original. Anyway, the right click, left click, both very smooth, and the scrolling, it's quite easy. Compared to the E440, it's much better. Now, about the touchpad, the clicking is much softer compared to the previous type, and the touchpad itself is, I think it's a little bit better compared to E440, but unfortunately I don't have E440 here, so I cannot really make a comparison. So about the keyboards, clicking is a little bit harder compared to my ThinkPad Yoga, but still it's not that bad. And one poor thing is the plastic. The plastic of this keyboard is lower quality compared to the T440 or X240 or ThinkPad Yoga's keyboards. But in general, I quite like these keyboards and touchpad. Okay, let me try one thing. This is my ThinkPad Yoga. The keyboard is much smoother, especially the touch feeling, but I really don't like this touchpad. You can hear the noise. See, it's not very smooth, and even if I do the right click, it's all the flat panel going down, so it's very difficult to use right click, left click, right click. So compared to this type of touchpad, this ThinkPad E450 is much better. Okay, thanks for listening my video today, and if you're interested in the more detailed review, please visit jibarreview.com. But sorry, at this moment most of the contents are in Japanese.